What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, I'm going to take you through exactly why you guys need to just start now. Now, before we do get into the video, guys, I would like to say thank you to everybody who has been supporting me so far. We're actually creating such an amazing community, guys, and I am so happy that I have just started, so that now I'm getting to know a lot of you guys who are regular on the channel. I want to say big love to all of you guys. However, there are still 35.9% of you guys who watch the videos that aren't subscribed. Now 64.2% is actually not bad at all, but let's try and get that up to like 65% in today's video. Let's get it. Alright, guys, it is Thursday. I hope everybody is having an amazing week so far. I am actually in a very good mood today. I feel very happy because everything is starting to say we're nearly there. Okay, now we're in fear. We were in extreme fear last month when we had that flash down to 49k, and to be honest, the sentiment that I'm getting from my private community, from you guys who reach out in the Telegram, you guys who reach out to me via Instagram, the sentiment is extreme fear, if I'm completely honest with you. Every single time we've been in extreme fear, it has been an amazing time to be buying. But like I said in the intro, guys, I'm so happy that I started, and that's in many different things. I'm happy that I started this YouTube channel. I'm happy that this YouTube channel has led me to have so many other ventures outside of YouTube, or, you know, related in the cryptocurrency world. And in the beginning, I didn't feel ready, but I just started. I didn't really feel ready to start investing. I didn't feel ready to DCA because I thought it's going to go lower. But do you know what? The DCA has gone super well so far. The buys have been amazing so far. And I do think we're going to be in a stage of the market where people look back at us in 2025, post-election, post-rate cuts, and they go, oh my God, you bought in 2024. You must be super up right now. And we're going to say, yeah, we are. Let me know in the comments what you've been thinking of starting. Let's hash it out. Let's get some ideas flowing. Let's get the community bubbling. And now, before we do get into all the charts, there are some good charts that we are going to look at today, and hopefully the sentiment will shift by the end of the video. I want to say I started another thing. I started a crypto gambling YouTube, okay? I'm going to leave the link in the pinned comment. Please, all of you guys who've been supporting me, I know I'm asking you guys all the time, please support me, please follow me. But you know what? It would help me out more than you guys imagine. It's LexBet. I remember when I had like 18 subscribers on this channel, okay, and now we're nearly 10k deep. There's 8,000 of you lovely motherfuckers. Now, something from Lady Crypto that I did see earlier that hopefully some of you guys can resonate with, and to be honest, I did the same in 2020, to be honest. Now, 2019, I panic sold when alts dumped, almost lost everything. 2020 made the same mistake. I mean, personally, in 2020, I was still a paper hands little bitch, and I would buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And one of my friends, shout out Alex, he said to me, Lamar, you need to just hodl, diamond hands. That is the way forward. And I would have thought by then, being in crypto for a few years at that point, that I would have learnt my lesson, but I was still a noob. So even if you are in crypto for a year, 2 years, and you think, well, 2 years in crypto is a long time, it is not a long time. Okay, you are still a noob, and you can still make noob mistakes. In 2021, I realized that crypto was manipulated to shake you out, so I held. This cycle, they're trying to do the same stuff all over again. All right, now what is going on with the crypto market today? You can see even on coin market cap, which is normally a little bit higher, we are in fear. Bitcoin is at 56k, ETH is at 2.3k, and ICP is at number 23. Okay, so still top 25 coin. We're at $7.20. Got to keep our eyes on that $7.12 to be shorting, guys. We haven't had any closes below $7.12 yet. But what am I going to do in this time, guys? I'm picking up like hella blue chips, okay? I'm actually picking up some Ethereum at the moment as well, guys. Yes, picking up ETH as a safe play, okay? Picking up Sol, picking up ICP, trying to get a good entry on Casper as well. And if you guys want to figure out what my entries are, then you can go and join the private community. You don't have to. I'll try and diversify the content here a bit more. But like we said on a macro chart, I mean, this is something that Ash Crypto posted today. This is the last real shakeout and dump before Bitcoin pumps to 100k. And remember, not guaranteed that it's the last one, okay? Nobody knows when the last one is until it's happened and then it's 6 months behind us, right? It's very hard to look at that chart and see a macro cup and handle and be super bearish. If anything, this should make you This should make you mega bullish, considering this is like a weekly chart. So imagine the weekly breakout. Imagine the weeks of green we have in front of us, guys. Another thing to look at on the DXY, this is the monthly DXY, guys. In the short term, it looks like the Dixie's got a way to go up, okay? So, you know, short term, we could be having a bit of a relief rally on the Dixie. The scenario that's playing out now is quite similar to 2017 and 2020. People will try and say it's exactly the same. It's not really. I mean, we had rising wedges. Now we're in a sort of bear flag. Okay, it's not really a rising wedge, but it looks like we could be having some way down. We just need to close below this structure here. And then what's that going to do to our risk on assets? Pumpy schlumpy. And now we got to focus, guys. Okay, guys and girls, boys and girls, no matter what your inclination is. Okay, what do we want? Do we want to be chasing things that's going to take our eyes off the prize? Or do we want to be making sure we prepare ourselves for the big green candles to come? Okay, so it can be easy in these times of boredom to go back to old ways and maybe not focus on your investments, and whether it's women, men, going out and wasting your money on other things, we got to keep our eyes on the prize. That's just a little side note from Lex. And we looked into the ETF tracker yesterday. We'll probably check it out again tomorrow. But while other Bitcoin ETFs sold yesterday, BlackRock continues to hodl. Are you paying attention to where the smart money is allocating their funds? Now, going back to the 2017 cycle, guys, the 2017 cycle took roughly 178 weeks to make new highs. Following the same time frame will take us to next week of the 9th. April 23 to October 23 took roughly 28 weeks to new highs. Following that same time frame takes us to the 23rd of September. So anywhere between the 9th and the 23rd, guys, could be critical for us and could be a point where we do start to see some rallies coming up. That'll be after the rate cuts, guys. So that's gonna be after the rate cuts, leading into the election, going into the end of the year, going into Pumptober. You know, there's a lot of bullish indicators, a lot of reasons for us to be saying there's no point in us, you know, selling our altcoin, selling our crypto, even if Bitcoin does have a flush lower. I mean, it doesn't really make sense to be selling now. We should just be accumulating at every last chance that we do get. Remember, if you want to zoom into the alts, I mean, altcoins are trading at 60 to 80%, while Total 2 is testing its long-term trendline support, which has been a solid support zone in the past. Coincidence or not? I don't think so. Mags doesn't think so either. We're at around 800 billion for the Total 2, so that's all altcoins and Ethereum. Total 3 is just altcoins, no Bitcoin or Ethereum. But look, downtrend, accumulation, breakout, uptrend. Downtrend, accumulation, breakout, uptrend. Look, the breakout was perfect. We held above the accumulation phase, very similar to what we did in the last run, guys. We're now testing this macro multi-year support zone, and people are saying it is time to sell the alts. Are the alts doomed? I feel like I'm gonna doom post everywhere. I don't know why these people online are saying that the ball runs over, right? Does it make sense? No. Okay, this is like a lot of the weak hands are going to be super pissed when they do sell, you know, over the next month because they couldn't hold on. We've got to keep an eye on ETH, guys. I mean, is ETH ready for liftoff? Historically, when the RSI is near or in the oversold territory on the 3D chart, ETH sees either a rally or a short-term pump. Either way, an upward move seems just around the corner. And we open this up, guys. I mean, look, short-term pumps or rallies. We had short-term pump, rally, rally, short-term pump, rally. Short-term pump rally? What do you think, guys? And again, more bullish indicators. The Bitcoin trend strength prophecy has been fulfilled. Just like 2016 dipped into the support zone in September after the mid-top, the same has happened in 2024. In fact, for alternating cycles, all months have been exactly the same for support zone entries. The pattern of threes has not failed yet. In the mid-cycle or in the bear market, the cycle is not over. It's September 16 all over again. Look at all of these cycles here, guys, and how it has actually marked an amazing entry for all of us to be getting in. It's staring us in the face. I said to you a couple of videos ago, it's staring us in the face. It's just that you're seeing the price action in your wallet, in your ledger, wherever you hold your crypto, and you're thinking, oh my god, everything's down. You know, is this a good time? Should I be buying? It's gonna go lower. So we keep buying ICP. Okay, I hope that you guys don't mind that I do ICP right at the end of the video. Yes, there's gonna be some big news being released in the coming week, I believe Dom said. I think it's in the next week or two, so we'll keep a close eye on that. We'll do a big video on that. But ICP on fire, 3,419 burned in the past month. Could ICP flip deflationary in under 3 years? And to be honest, we probably could, guys. So we come to our Bitcoin chart and we make sure that we are still on track. We're in an accumulation zone right now. We're at the bottom area of the channel. Every single time we've come to the bottom area of the channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, it has been a great time to be buying Bitcoin, to be buying Ethereum, and in turn buying your altcoins as well. If we do dip below it, again, fire sale. And to come to the ICP chart, I mean, this is on the daily, guys. Look how close we are getting up to that apex. The apex is actually going to be at around, you know, the first week of October, and we're still in that 30%, we're not even, we're above the 30% correction shakeout from when we did go down to 40k for Bitcoin, guys. This could get choppy very, very soon, but the closer we get to the apex means the less time we have to be accumulating ICP, in my humble opinion. Any flashes down to those $6, remember I said I'll be shorting down to $6. If we lose $7.12, but I'll be buying at $6.22, $6, $5.83 if that last wick does get a double bottom. Nothing is guaranteed, so again, I stick to the DCA every single day now, guys, because you just don't know when the market is going to flip. And remember, we come to our other chart as well, and you can see that we could be looking for that double bottom. This would be like our futures chart. We could be looking for that double bottom. We had the breakout complete. If we do get a breakdown all the way down to $6, we go ham, we buy more, and that would be in line with something like the total free losing this support zone that we've been in for the past, well, the past few days now, or the past couple of weeks now actually, and maybe revisiting the lower area of this channel, which could bring down pretty much the entire altcoin market cap, guys. But that would be fantastic, because look at this massive flag that we are in. You cannot tell me that we're not bullish. We must hold this area here, which is the lower area of the flag, and if we do get another test down here, you can see how powerful the wicks have been off of this lower area of the channel, guys. People don't want to miss the opportunity to be getting their altcoins super cheap, and it is reflected in the chart by these massive wicks, guys. So that's it. What are you going to do? Are you going to start today? Are you going to stay on the sidelines? You guys can let me know in the comments. And again, if you made it this far, please support both channels, okay, LexBet2, by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a sub if you're new to the family, and guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.